students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on students, let us move to the chapter. Let me welcome you all to our maths class of standard 2nd. Our topic is let's untie a 10 in order to subtract part 2. Dear children, we have already completed part 1 of this lesson, isn't it? Let's take a quick recap of part 1 and then we'll move to part 2. Okay, let us study this. Here you can see a number 26. This is nothing but 2 tens and 6 units. You know this, right? Okay, we will take 2 tens like this. This is 1 10 and this is second 10 and 6 separate blocks, that is 6 units, isn't it? Okay, now we have 2 tens and 6 units. Now if we have to give 9 units to someone, then how is it possible? Now we have separate that 6 units, and from this 6 units we can't give 9 units, isn't it? So what we do? We untie 110. Yes? Okay, let us untie this 10. See here, 110 means we have 10 units, isn't it? Okay, these are 4 units. This is 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10, right? These are total 16 units, isn't it? This is 110 and here we can see 16 units because 6 units were already there and we have untied 110, so we got 10 units. Together make 16 units. Now it is very easy to give 9 units to someone by 16 units. See here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, isn't it? Now we have given 9 units. Now what remained? Let us see, this is 110 and here we can see 7 units. Am I right? Let us write here 110 and 7 units remained when we subtract 9 from 26. Same thing, let us write here units, tens. Okay, now here what we got? 110 and 16 units. Let us write here 16 units and 110 minus 9 units, right? Okay, 16 minus 9, we know that this is 7 and 1 tenth remains as it is. So our answer is 17. Got this? Okay. Now here one more. 46 means 4 tenths 6 units. Okay. Minus 8 is equal to how much? See dear children, this we will write 46 in units and tens form. Okay, here what we will do? Again what? Yes, we will untie one of the 4 tens and we will make this 6 units into 16 units. Correct? Okay, now see here. What we will write? 16 units because 8 is greater than 6. So we want to borrow from this tens column. So here it became 3 tens. 1 10 is untied, isn't it? So 16 units and 3 tens minus 8 units. Right? What is the answer? 16 minus 8. You know? Yeah, you can use your fingers. Otherwise, you can count numbers from 8 to 16. What is the answer? Yeah, 8. Right? And here 3 remains as it is. So our answer, that is 46 minus 8 is equal to 38. Okay, one more we will try. 35 minus 7 is equal to how much? Okay, here 35. How we will write? Here also 7 is greater than 5, correct? So we will untie one of the 10. So it became 15 units and 2 tenths. Minus 7. So 15 minus 7 is equal to how much? 8, right? Here 2 as it is. So our answer is 35 minus 7 is equal to 28. Now, dear children, we'll move to today's portion, subtraction by untying a 10. We will use table, and here the sum is 58 minus 39. Okay, 58 minus 39. In units column, 8 minus 9 is there, and in tens column 5 minus 3, right? Now dear children, here 8 is smaller than 9, so it is not possible to subtract 9 from 8, isn't it? So it is very tensed. What to do? I have only 8 and I have to give 9. So what happens? 8 borrows from 5. It requests to 5 to give 1 10. Okay, and 5 accepts the request and it bifurcates itself into 4 and 1. 4 and 1 is 5, isn't it? It lends 1 10 to unit and it becomes 4. 1 less, isn't it? And here 8 is already there in the units place, so it became 18. Now it is very easy to minus 18 minus 9, isn't it? See, yeah, 18 minus 9 is very easy. So we got 9 and 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Here these two numbers are cut and we got new numbers, that is 18 and 4. Got this, children? Thus our sum is over. Yes. What we did? We did subtraction of 58 minus 39. And we got the answer 19. Let us try two more. Here the sum is 87 minus 79. Okay, again 7 is smaller than 9, so 7 is tens and it requests to 8 to borrow 1 10. 8 accepts the request of this 7 and 8 bifurcates itself into 7 and 1. Then it gives 110 to unit and it becomes 7. Okay, and here in the units column 7 is already there, so it becomes 17 units. Okay, these 7 and 17 are new numbers instead of 8 and 7. Okay, now here 17 minus 9 is very easy, right? How much? 8, isn't it? And 7 minus 7 is how much? 0. Yeah, our sum is over. So 87 minus 79, now answer is 8. 0, 8 or 8. Okay? Yes. One more. Here 95 minus 39. Okay, again 5 is smaller than 9. It requests 9 to borrow 110. So 9 accepts the request of 5 and it lends 110 to units place. Okay, and it becomes 8. 1 less, isn't it? Now 5 is already there in the units place, so 10 plus 5 becomes 15. Okay, now it is very easy to subtract 9 from 15. What is the answer? 15 minus 9 is equal to 6, isn't it? And here in the tens place, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So our answer is 56. When we subtract 39 from 95, we get 56. I hope you understood how to untie a 10 and how to carry out the subtraction. Yes? Okay, good. Now here, we will not use emojis. We will try to do the sum directly. 84 minus 55. Yes, in the unit place 4 minus 5. Not possible. So 4 borrows from tens place and it becomes, yes, 14 and here 8 becomes 7. Right? Now 14 minus 5 is equal to, yes, very good, 9, and 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. One more. Now the sum is 61 minus 57. Again 1 is smaller than 7, 1 borrows from 6 and 6 becomes 5, right? And 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So 61 minus 57 is equal to 4. Isn't it? Here this is from your textbook. Subtract by untying or borrowing or opening out a 10. Okay. Now we are 0 minus 1. Not possible, right? So you know what to do. Here 4 becomes 3 and 0 becomes 10. After untying, 110. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Yes. We'll move to second sum. 67 minus 29. Again 7 and here 6. So 6 becomes 5 and 7 become 17 because 9 is greater to 7. Right? Now 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. And 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Very good. Last one. 92 minus 53. Here 2 is smaller to 3. So it borrows from 9 and 9 becomes 8. And here 2 becomes 12. Am I right? 12 minus 3 is possible. So 12 minus 3 is 9. And 8 minus 5 is 3. Right? Like this only you have to complete rest all sums. Now dear children, we'll move to problem sums. Here one problem is given. Bhavana has watered 28 of 45 trees. How many does she still have to water? Yes, there are 45 trees. Out of them, she watered 28. Correct? Here what is said? What is given here? Yes, there are total 45 trees in the garden. Okay, and she watered 28 trees. This is given. Okay, our next question is, what is asked here? What we have to do? How many to be watered? Okay, what shall we do? Yes, to get the answer, what shall we have to do? Yes, correct. We have to carry out subtraction. Okay, we'll make a table. Let us write 45. These are total trees. Am I right? Minus, this is 28 watered trees. Correct? Now, we will carry out the subtraction. Yes, 5 minus 8 is not possible. So, it borrows from 4. Right? 4 becomes 3 and 5, it becomes 15. Now 15 minus 8 is equal to how much? Yes, 7. Very good. Now 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Right? So 17 trees remain to water. Correct? Means trees to be watered are 17. Right? Got this? Means here we have to read the problem given and then we have to understand the meaning of this problem. Then it is very easy to carry out the sum and to get the solution. One more sum. Sachin has 70 marbles. You know marbles, goti, right? Out of them, 38 are red in color and rest all are yellow. How many yellow are there? Yes, Sachin has two types of marbles, red and yellow. Correct? Here what is given? Yes, Sachin has 70 marbles. Correct? That is given, and out of them 38 are red. This much is given. Okay. Now what is asked here? What to do? What to find out? Yes. How many yellow marbles with Sachin? That we have to calculate. What shall we do now? How we will find out the answer? Very good, by subtraction. Let us make a table. Let us write here numbers, that is 70, that is nothing but total marbles, right? Minus 38, yes, red marbles. Now 0 minus 8, not possible. We have to borrow from 7, so it became 6 and 0 becomes 10, because we have untied 1, 10, right? Now here 10 minus 8 is equal to 2, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So here 32 yellow marbles are there with Sachin, right? 38 red marbles and 32 yellow marbles together make 70 marbles. That is nothing but the total number of marbles with Sachin. Got this, children? Very simple. Okay. Only thing is you have to understand the given sum. One more. Swati had 78 beads. She gave Preeti 49 of them. How many does she have now? Yes, what is given? Total beads 78. Of them 49 given to Preeti. This is given, right? Next thing is, what is asked here? What to find out? How many beads with Swati? After giving 49 to Preeti, how many remained with Swati? Okay. And what shall we do? Yes, subtraction. Very good. We'll make a table. Let us write 78. That is nothing but total beads, right? And she gave Preeti 49. So, minus 49. That is beads given to Preeti, her friend. Okay. Now here we'll carry out subtraction. You know that we always carry out subtraction beginning from unit place, right? 8 minus 9, not possible. So, it borrows from 7. So, it became 6 and it gave 110 to unit column. So, we got here 18. Yes? Okay. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So, how many beads left with Swati now? Yes? 29. Correct? Okay. Good. Now, dear children, this is homework for you. Okay? You can write this in vertical position or you can carry out in horizontal position. Here also what you will do, you will untie 110 or you borrow 110 from the tens column. Then you will go for subtraction and then you will get a proper answer. Okay? Some more sums are there in your textbook. Please try to carry out. Okay? Take care. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the new updated videos.